Today we are at Eckerlin's Meat Market and we're going to talk with Josh. Josh is the 6th generation owner of the market. Josh, tell us a little bit about Eckerlin's.
Yeah, how's everybody doing? Welcome to virtual Eckerlin's. I'm the 6th generation, like she said. Everything here in house we like to keep as local as possible. We're bringing in local cows. We're breaking them down in the back here. Real live butchery going on. We do a lot of our different types of bacons, our mets and brats we all have made for us. It's our specialty recipe. We do some sausages. We do some local Amish chickens out of Kid Ron, Ohio, Gerber Amish. But yeah, you know, a lot of stuff going on here. A lot of fabricating on the meat sections and things like that. So come down and see us.
What's your biggest seller, Josh?
We sell a lot of our old-fashioned Goetta. We sell a couple thousand pounds a week. So that's probably our pride and joy. We really take a lot of pride, like I said, in making our product there. What goes into it, how it's made, keep great grandma's recipe alive. And you know, Cincinnati is the only place in town you can get something like that. So we try to make our Goetta the best Goetta in the city.
So for people that don't know what Goetta is, tell us a little bit about Goetta.
Yeah, so Goetta's it's pork, beef, pinhead oats, little onion, salt, pepper, a couple other seasonings. Here at Eckerlin's, we only use all clean meats, all pork shoulders and beef chucks. So there's no scrap meats in there whatsoever. It's all pork shoulders and chucks. We use all fresh products, never frozen. So I mean that kind of keeps us a little bit, I'd say, more of a modern Goetta, more of a lean, more high in fiber Goetta. Rather than the old school way, we try to be more of a modern Goetta, like I said, a little bit cleaner to kind of fit the purchaser for Goetta these days.
Yeah, and so now we're kind of in a little bit unusual time. So are people calling in orders? Can they go to your website? How are you doing with your orders?
Yeah, we do both. There's a Findlay Market app that you can buy little bits from everybody at the market. We're taking call-in orders all day long. Phones ringing off the hook constantly. That's actually the easiest way. If you call in your order, we get it together. Either swing in, pay for it, you're on your way. We can run it out to your car. So, I mean, any of those are great. It's always good to prepare in these times. We really can't have a lot of people hanging out in the store, so we got to be, you know, have direction and know what you want. And so, you know, prepare for the next few days, weeks, or months, however long it's going to last.
Yeah. So I'm just going to span down your counter, and so we can see, man, a lot of good eating
That's right.
in that counter. And actually, you got a lot of staff here. Pretty busy today.
Filling a lot of orders, yes ma'am.
Yeah, so, all right. Well, listen, Josh, thank you so much.
Excellent, thank you. Come down and see us.